बच्चा क्या बच्चा आ आ अरे खाना आ बच्चा क्या हुआ म्याऊ 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 baik itu देखो छोटा बच्चा बच्चा डर गया लिटिल एंजल चल जा सो तू जा पिच्चा के लगे थे स्ट्रेच करते क्या भैया को छुपा दीजिएगा कि बिन रात ची 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 Now she is going to sit. That place, it's a good place to sleep, you see. She went. Let's see, she's
It's
going.
cozy, man. It's very cozy, though.
She's going to check it. What is that place? She's thinking, shall I sleep here or no?
She's smelling if it has some smell. Should I fix it for her? 1 second.
No, let it be. Okay then, my dear friends. So it was how when my daughter comes, the reaction of cats.
Come on. You can sleep now. Don't want to?
Keep on watching. Kindly subscribe to watch more videos. Thank you. Right? No, she doesn't want to sit there. Bye bye.
Cut it.